Shown here is the front door panel on the Porsche Cayenne. In this video, I'll go over the steps involved with removing it. Use a trim removal tool to gently pop the side mirror cover off. Once removed, pop the side mirror switch out of the cover. Press the tab on the electrical connector, green arrow, and pull it out of the mirror switch. Use a trim removal tool and gently pop the cover off the armrest handle. Start at the top and gently work your way down. Once the handle cover is removed, begin prying the armrest cover off. Start at the top section and work your way forward. You may need to use a little bit more force than you think. Now pry the front section off, starting near the handle. Remove the 4 T30 Torque screws, green arrows, mounted inside the armrest. The best tool for this job is a 4-inch long 1/4-inch extension. Now comes the hard part, getting the door panel to pop off the door. You'll want to work your way down each side, carefully working at each clip. A set of plastic pry bars really helps. Once the door panel is free, tilt it forward slightly from the bottom and pull it up and off the top of the door frame. Now you'll need to remove the cable from the inner door handle. Pull the cable out enough to rotate it around to the opening in the handle latch, yellow arrow. Once free, pull the plastic end nut up and out of the handle. Now gently pry the plastic arms, green arrows, of the cable retainer outwards and pull the retainer back to release it from the door panel. Press the plastic tabs on the electrical connector, green arrows, and pull the connector out of the speaker. Follow the main wiring harness to the door panel back to the electrical connector on the window motor. Pry down on the plastic retaining clip, green arrow, and pull the connector out. Shown here is the finished result. Check around the door panel for any mounting clips that may still be stuck in the door. Gently pry them out at the base if you find any. If the clips are still in good shape, simply pop them back into the mounting cups on the door panel. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.